Alright, so I decided to make a new series called Road to 1 Mil Funded. So basically, what I'll be doing is trying to get to 1 mil in funded with futures. Of course, that's what I'm trading right now, not Forex. I'm doing this because I want to document every single trade. You're going to see all my trades live, me taking it, me either winning or losing or break even or not even taking a trade. I'm going to document everything from Monday to Friday, and I'll be uploading it around either Saturday or Sunday, editing it, doing all of that. And you're going to be seeing all the accounts I either pass, blow, and all of that. I'll be probably doing this with Lucid, but I could also move into Apex, which I might do as well, because I do trade both London and New York session. But today there was nothing there in London, so I'm gonna be showing from New York session. Anyways, I'm gonna be making sure to show and document all this journey from nothing. I literally right now have 0 in funded. I'm trying to pass a 50k funded. I'm starting with a 50k. Let's see how it's already up in profit, but not much. It's like less than 1%. So I'll be trying getting that to funded. Let's see how this goes. And next clip will be me showing an update or me live trading. Alright, it's 5 minutes till market opens. I'll be looking at NQ on the left and YM on the right. I need to figure out the lot sizes. So for YM, for the 40 point, risking, yes, I'm risking 250. It will be 13 contracts for 250. Nice. Let me mark up my levels. This is going to be not that great, to be honest. Looking at this, the levels are right here for MQ. Oh wait, sorry, this is on the 5 minute. 1 minute. This is on the 1 minute, sorry. Alright, looking at these levels. Okay, that makes it even worse. So, looking at MQ, there isn't much, but I can see that there's a whole gap here and the price is going up to fill it. Based on that, I can already see price filled it, right? Based on places that I want to take a trade on, I'm looking at this previous support that can turn into resistance, or it can break through and become a support. Looking at this, and I'm also looking at this area right here. This area and this area right here. That's what I'm seeing. This is NQ, so based on NQ, I'll be looking right here. It's 2 minutes left till market opens. I'm looking right here with my 25-point stop loss. And 1 to 2 as always. Sometimes I do chart to 1 to 3 based on volume, but that's about it. And then for sales, I'll be looking for it to be below here. 25 point 1 to 2. This is how it's looking for NQ. Let's check the lot size for NQ. So NQ, got futures. So the points will be 25 point for NQ, risking 250. 5 contracts, perfect. So if I go back, no, set this as 5 for NQ. For YM, which is looking more cleaner, the 5 minute, yeah. All right. This is going to be my level for sure, 1,000,000%. And then, based on this massive drop, definitely price will come back to fill all these gaps. Definitely. But there has been no retracements here as well. So let's see. Either levels could be either here for a sell. Yeah, this is how it's looking. There's 1 minute left. Let me hurry up. Then I've ordered. Market's just about to open. Wow. It's too close to entry. I don't think I'll be looking for that. For YM, need to quickly figure out the lot sizes. 40, 13 contracts for YM. Yeah, 40 points looking okay. I'm looking for a buy so far. Okay, I'm in for a buy. SL will be around 250. Looks like it'll be a quick stop out for YM though. Quick stop. Yeah. Quick stop for YM. Based on this wick, I'm looking for the 1 minute reversal. Based on the wick. I'll be showing you the 1 minute reversals too. Let's see. To be more safe, I'll go a bit more below on there. And yeah, this will be my second trade on last trade. If I lose this, so be it. So far, I'm down 250. Based on the wick on the 5 is why I'm looking for a reversal. I will be going break even when appropriate. So let's see. Yeah, definitely will be looking for the reversal after the wicking out. Definitely. Based on how the volume is moving, I might even chose 1 to 3. But let's see. Generally, I do go for 1 to 2s, and funded 1,000,000% just 1 to 2. I don't want to get greedy or anything. I just make sure I stick to the 1 to 2. Okay, yeah, this is looking very good for YM. Alright, let's see. Cool. I'm in for YM. 250. Lately, reversals haven't been playing out, I'll be honest. There's been a lot of times where NQ did reverse, but it hits my SL and has literally went straight to TP. Amazing. This is amazing. This volume is what we need. Wow. 1 to 2 is here. 1 to 3 would be like 750. I'm not wrong. Definitely trailing my stop loss now. 1 to 3 is 750. Definitely trailing my stop loss. If it does go break even, I might look for one more trade, but that's about it. I think 1 to 2 was pretty much it. Yeah, this is what I mean. There's a lot of times it hasn't edged me yet, to be fair, but I can see that it's resisting off this level that I've marked out. But what has happened is with NQ, I've had times where price goes straight up, takes me out to the pip, reverse straight down, and what I'm catching right now is basically the reverse as well. 1 to 2 literally got edged. Wow, it's not looking too convincing right now. But let's see what NQ. Okay, wow, NQ has done fuck all. NQ has done nothing. Wow. Okay, and this is about to stop me at break even. It might be a choppy day. It's very unlucky. Gave so much volume, showed so much promise, and it just still ended up doing nothing. Okay, wow. Definitely looks like it reacted off this. I'm really looking for a trade now. It would have to be with maybe NQ under 1 minute. Right here. For the reversal as well, because it has wicked out. That's what I'll be looking for. Remember, it's 5 lots. Yeah. As it break even, I haven't lost, so it's okay. 2 losses though, then I'll be definitely out. 100%. The 1 minute, just looking for a level. This is a level. The price is rejected before and went up, so I'm looking for this level to be broken for me to enter the trade. Wow, look at MIM. This is what I mean. Ooh. Yeah. The trade. Okay, so 2 things I can see. Price can definitely reject off. Let me just this one level that price can reject off as well. But I can also see price can reject off this level too, which isn't that great. So in terms of entry, it's not looking too good. It's really not looking too good. I'm really thinking about reducing risk based on the fact that it's too close to entry. So I might reduce risk to around 125. Yeah. Yeah, I might reduce it there. Or I might even go break even early. I don't like this indecision. Really don't like this indecision. Wow, look at MYM. This is what I mean. Like, I've never been edged like this with MYM for reversals, I'll be honest with you. Most of the time when I take these reversals on the 1 minute, whether it's NQ or YM, it's quite instant, very quick. However, in this case, you can see that MYM literally took me out at break even, and now it's just deciding to just plummet down. If you look at the overall chart though, you can see that price definitely came and filled all of this. Now it's looking to go down. It really does make sense for shorts here. It really does. This entry could have been kind of avoided because of the fact that I mean, to be honest, actually, I don't know about that, because normally YN tends to move very quick and very aggressive. I see YN move very quick and very aggressive so many times in one direction. So for it to fake out like this, I don't really see that much often, to be honest with you. So seeing that wick and then going for the reversal was perfect. That's exactly what I did, but I was so unlucky. So unlucky. For this, I'm definitely just like, if it does go down, I'm just going to be getting out. I wanted to. There's not enough volume. It doesn't show like it wants to push down. It's very indecisive on NQ, and don't really like it, to be honest. That's the truth. Let's see. I definitely might have to cut back to when price is either close to SL or TP. That looks like it's going to be a very quick SL. Wow. I don't want to take a full loss here. There's no point. We can clearly see that price rejected off this level. There's no point for me to take a full loss. If I take a loss here, I'm walking out and I'm coming back tomorrow. There's nothing more to say. Come on, NQ, push. Give some volume for once. It's been a while. Give some volume. YM's been doing quite well in terms of volume. I'm not gonna lie with you. Alright, right now I'm editing this video. One thing that I can see is that you see how there's a wick to the downside right here. I would say that based on the way it closed, even then I probably should be looking to head out and get out of this trade, because based on that push you could see how there's a wick, and that wick literally hit the zone that I basically said earlier, and you can see that I reacted off it. And based on that, I should already be out. I don't think I should be really holding this. So for me to even take the 125 loss, I feel like I could have even avoided it and not taken it in the first place and hopped off the chart. But that's what I can see going back and editing this. Last week Friday, you saw how YM moved. In the previous video, I showed you that trade. That was exactly the trade that happened last week Friday, and that was insane. And I traded to 123, and it was worth it. Definitely worth it. That's why I look at YM and I'm like, okay, I could trade to 123 if the volume presents itself. In this case, the volume did present itself. Completely flipped on the 5 minute and went down. It was so unfortunate because it reacted from this support and it just completely went back up. Can't do anything about it. Some days it's gonna break through and some days it's just gonna play with you, toy with you. That's what happened to me, and I hit break even, which it's okay. I really don't like this. I'm really thinking about getting out of the NQ. And YM, it's been diabolical. Like, it's a fake out up here, it's nearly a fake out down here. It's insane. It's insane. Both players are moving very bad. Mondays are normally days where I win quite more often, but looking at today, it looks like it's going to be one of those days. Either I'm just gonna not win. There we go, taken out. Okay, I'm done for the day. 2 losses. I was up around 400 something at the start. Now you can see I'm down 434. We come back tomorrow, and yeah, let's see. One other thing I want to real quick shout out is that I've been on Brandon's live trade room as well. It's the breakout room. I've been on Brandon's live room, and I've also been trading beside him as well, just seeing what trades he take to. But I'm still trading alone. But I'm just like, he's one of the main reasons for how I'm like starting to take these trades, especially like the 1 minute reversals and stuff. I learned from him in London session. So shout out to Brandon Trades, and yeah, also shout out to Connor Effects. But yeah, just want to make sure that I tell you guys that I'll be trading with them. Just to give a quick outro, I'm down today like 2 RR. It's okay. I am risking 0.5%, so it's not really that deep. Down like 1%. We'll come back tomorrow, hopefully on a profitable day. And yeah, I'm gonna be probably posting these daily, because if I try to do this from Monday to Friday, it's gonna be like an hour 30-minute video, and I doesn't like, that's just gonna be too long. It's just gonna be too long to watch. I don't even think I would be watching something that's like that long, just of a guy just, you know, documenting his trades, telling you how he's taking it, what he's looking at, and this and that. So yeah, so I'm gonna be probably doing this daily, down to RR. Probably tomorrow I'll also show you my stats for this week, and I'll even show you stats for the last week and all that. It's not been that great for me, but it's okay. We push, we go through, we learn from our mistakes, we come back tomorrow. And yeah, thank you for watching.